Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick video on how to navigate the Echelon system. As you remember, the first two videos we went over how to create an Echelon account and how to navigate our user landing page. Now we're going to look into how we navigate to our growers and how we add a new grower in the system. The first thing we look at is the top left-hand corner. We select this 3-bar icon, or we like to call our hamburger icon. Once you select this icon, then you go select Profile and Data Browser. Once this loads, you see your location, which I'm using Nutrien-Salemburg, North Carolina as my test location today. You'll see a list of all your growers. What I like to do from here, I like to hit this bottom left-hand corner, this gray toolbar. It says Nutrien-Salemburg, or it'll say Nutrien in your location. From here, I hit the horseshoe icon or the magnet icon that's pointing down. And once I click on it, it turns it to the left and it centers everything over here and locks it in. This just helps you navigate through the system a little better and switch growers, farms, and fields. What you'll do, once this is up, you'll come down here, you'll select your location, or you see your location, hit the play button, and it points the arrow down, and you see a list of your growers. In order to add a new grower into the system, we come over here to the bottom right-hand corner, and we hit ARS import. If you notice, the new grower icon is grayed out. The reason this is because everything's connected to our ARS system at this point. So we have to ping our ARS system to get a list of approved growers. So once we select ARS import, we can come down here and search through all your growers. They're in alphabetical order, and you see we have 11 pages of growers. The best thing to do for this one is just use the search toolbar. You type in your grower's name, how it's listed in ARS. And I'm just going to click one, for example, this Alex Hobson. We'll select this grower. And I like to do this item only because a lot of times it'll have a farm and a field in here, but there is nothing mapped for this farm and field. So if we don't truly have anything mapped, we don't need this farm and field in here. So that's why I select this item only. So once we have it checked, we go and hit import. You can import multiple growers at a time, but I highly recommend only doing just a couple because it will bog down the system if you're not careful. So now once we have Alex Hobson in here, we can select him and we can hit the information button. And we see he has no fields, no farms in here. When it was last modified, and who it was last modified, which was be myself on December 1st at 1:54 p.m. Then if we need to copy this grower, we can copy it and we can move it to another location. If you have access to multiple locations, we can add a farm or we can delete this grower. If we hit delete this grower, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete? And we hit OK. The cool thing about this is we have our oh, I messed up button. And you can hit the undo button. And once you do that, if you'll refresh your page, our grower has been retrieved. And I believe that'll wrap up just how we import a grower into our system. Next up, we'll look at how do we create farms and fields in Echelon.